Let's go ahead and start in with the next one, which is going to be our pickup tile. I'm going to place a floor into the scene here, and we'll put a player on one side. And if we scroll down in the tiles, you should get to a point where you see a pickup with a coin. So we have three different pickups by just with the default set, and it's going to be a life, a health, and a coin. We'll start with a coin pickup. So on the coin pickup, we go to the properties here. So the one thing to note with a coin pickup in terms of where it currently is for functionality is that it's a pickup item, but it's not technically an item where you can store it in your inventory, use it for later. That part will come later on, but right now what it does is just an auto consumable, so when you do pick it up, it'll just be consumed on the pickup. Options currently inside for the pickup item. We'll start with the first one and walk through it. You have a option for delay on pickup. So for instance, I could say delay on pickup and move it over to 2 seconds. Over on the respawn means that every time I pick one up, it'll actually come back in the same spot, allow me to pick it up again. We'll say that this is going to take 2 seconds as well to respawn. And also just to note on the delay pickup, consider it something where you have to walk over to an object and the object starts to charge to be picked up, and then it gives you a pickup. So visually you can have an animation that represents this as well to kind of coincide with it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the pickup item and see how it works when you go and you touch it to get picked up. Alright, so if I walk over to it and wait 2 seconds, I'm going to get my pickup, and then once it gets picked up, again it goes back to the respawn and shows, so then I can go back to it and touch it, get my pickup again. So this would just continue to repeat that way, so if you had health that you wanted to always come back in certain spots, then you could use this type of a system for it. So that's going to be the basics of delaying on a pickup and respawning on a pickup.